Greetings and welcome to the Opticians Workshop. My name is Ron, and as the training coordinator, I'm here to guide you through the best optician training program that is available to you. Our goal is to provide you with top-notch training in a short period of time. As you may know, opticians are technical professionals responsible for designing, fitting, and distributing lenses to aid in correcting a person's vision. Throughout our 3-week training program, we'll teach you about the functions of the eye, how to read eyeglass prescriptions, and how to choose the perfect frames for your patients. During our lab sessions, you'll learn how to use various optician tools, take eyeglass measurements, and perform minor repairs and adjustments on eyeglasses and sunglasses. Our head instructor, Robert, has almost 30 years of experience in the optical industry. Here's Robert waving in this video right here. Our optical lab staff brings over 50 years of experience in making eyeglass lenses and frame modifications. And Abe, our lab manager, is available to answer any optical lab questions you may have. Please note, you'll need optical tools and supplies to participate in the optical lab sessions, but don't worry, you won't need them during the first week. Although we don't sell optical tools and supplies, you can easily purchase them from various websites like eBay, Amazon, or Hilco.com. However, we highly recommend getting them from veteranlab.com under the Opticians tool tab, as they offer tools and specific optical supplies covered in our training. And you can take up to 6 weeks to pay for them. If you have a coupon voucher code from your recruiter, please click the Enroll button right below and add it to where it says Add Coupon Code. We wish you all the best in your optical training and hope you have a successful career as an optician. Thank you for choosing the Opticians Workshop.